Hi guys, as I told you in my last video, I was supposed to get a squishy, but I did get one, and I only ordered 2 squishies, so I'm going to show you it. So, yeah, here's the package. It's super, super cute. Yeah, so first squishy I got is this Hello Kitty Express thing. Whoa.
Where are you? In the washroom?
This is so squishy. And then I got the seal squishy. So I'm going to take it out of the packaging. Anyways, here's the squishy out of the packaging. It's so squishy. Oh my goodness. I'm so happy. I'm going to die. This is so squishy. And here's the bag. It's super, super cute. And so there's like an air bubble there, but it doesn't really feel like an air bubble. But this is so cute, and it's like from the Mother Garden Duck series. I saw the duck one, but I didn't get it too on their website, so I didn't get it. But it's very sad. I only got to choose these 2. Here's the little bread loaf. It doesn't come with a software shop like I thought it would come with. There's a little bit of cracks and defects, but oh my, that's so soft. What the? That is Bales. Sorry about that. This is insane squishy. This one smells like hand sanitizer, like really disgusting hand sanitizer. And this one smells like really good, like bakery or something. But it smells really good.